Hi, my name is Amy Booker. I'm a Homeworks by Precept consultant. And today I'm going to walk you through what is in the 4th grade Logos Science Kit. We might see an activity or two.
This is the Logos Science Kit that pairs with the BJU Press 4th edition 4th grade science. Your books will match the picture on the front. If you have a different edition, contact a Homeworks by Precept consultant to help you. Inside the box, you will find most everything you will need to complete the activities in the student text. Some items will be normal household items that you should already have at home or can pick up at a local store. The red manual is very helpful and even has a complete list of materials not included listed by chapter. Our first picture shows lots of fun items like paper, foil, and packing peanuts. I wonder what the styrofoam ball is for. Science activities would not be fun without cups and a plastic beaker. Oh, and look, we have 2 bags of plaster. Do you think we might get to make a mold of something? Pea gravel, oatmeal, rice, and even a spring scale. I wonder why we need 3 types of soil. Pipe cleaners, wire connectors, plastic tweezers, a prism, a calculator, and even a red car. Room! Crayons, glue, a flashlight, spools, iodine, and food coloring. I wonder what the yarn is for. A blow-up globe, a sponge, iron filings, magnets, mirrors, and more. Hey, look! There's chopsticks in there. Wow! Here we have straws, Play-Doh, popcorn, oats, pasta, and so much more. Is that sandpaper and balloons? How strong is your magnet is our first example of an activity. We used 5 different magnets from the kit and a few more of our own. In our trial, the outcome was very different than we predicted. We won't spoil the outcome for you, but here's a live shot of one of the magnets. In the Starchy Foods activity, we had our resident microbiologist, Dr. Nana, assist us. She made sure we followed the instructions, wore gloves, and prepared our work surface. Some of the items in the activity did what we thought they would do, and some of them were surprising. One reaction that we noticed was, why did the cotton swab turn black? As you can see, this kit brings the lab into your homeschool. Much of the items can be purchased separately, but how much would it cost and how much time would you spend searching for them? These kits are packaged with most of the items you will need in one box that will save you time and money. They are a cost-effective way to bring hands-on learning into your home and creating family memories along the way. If your curious budding scientist did this to your kit, don't stress. Let's walk through how to pack it back in the box. Somehow these iron filings never want to get back in the box. Get back in there! Now that you have seen what's inside the box and you've seen a sample of activities, what are you waiting for? Call your Homeworks by Precept consultant to order a Logos Science Kit for your student. Make your life easier this next school year.